Okay guys, hello again, welcome to my new video. And in this video I'm not gonna take your time, like I always say. I'm gonna make it short and fast for all of you who are doing the trades, who are trading and knows how to trade. I want to explain in this time when the Bitcoin is accumulating, or whatever is happening on the in the crypto market, what you can do. So this is what I'm doing the last, let's say, almost 2 years. So in this time I'm using the market, I'm using the specific coins so I can multiply my bitcoins. So just give me a second, I want to put the music a little bit less. I hope you're gonna hear me. Okay, so as you can see here, I mean, you can choose the different coins to increase your Bitcoin. And how is that possible? So, for example, if you bought the Bitcoin, or if you bought any currency that you wanna make it more, like you wanna increase the amount that you have, no matter the value. So the value of the Bitcoin, we're not gonna talk. We're gonna take the Bitcoin, for example. Uh, you want to increase that Bitcoin, so what you need to do, you need to use some other currency or other coin which will help you increase your coin. So what you're gonna do, basically, you buy with Bitcoin another coin when it's very low, and you wait until it goes up so you can swap again. And once you swap that coin for the Bitcoin, you will get more of the Bitcoin. Okay, so that's the point. But before I start explaining you guys, I want to ask you for hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, like and share the video so that everybody can see what I'm doing here and we can reach more people and more people can see my videos. So thank you again, guys, and let's start. Okay, for example, this coin here I'm using, this is the CRV DAO token. But let's talk about one of my favorites, and that's the JFI. This coin can multiply your Bitcoin a lot. So I'm gonna explain you now. The last video I was making, and actually in my Telegram group, I was explaining and showing to the people once when I said to buy somewhere around here, this JFI, Yearn Finance. It was 0 point the price. So I'm talking about the Yearn Finance against the BTC, against the Bitcoin. Let's say that you have a Bitcoin, okay, and one Bitcoin, that you have one Bitcoin, and the price of Yearn Finance was one Bitcoin, as you can see here. So 1 for 1. So you can expect that this Yearn Finance can drop here. You buy with one Bitcoin, you will have, let's say, a little bit more than one Yearn Finance, and he goes up, boom. This is a profit here, this step, and I'm going to show you now. From here until here, okay? So as you can see, like this, you can multiply your Bitcoin. You're expecting him and waiting to go back, and now he's basically not so bad to buy now at this price and this moment here, to wait to pull back a little bit more around 0.91, because I was buying here, and I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna show you just a second. This is the range. I want to show you how much you can multiply the Bitcoin. Okay, how much was in 3 days? Let's say from here until here. 3 days and 8 hours. In 3 days and 8 hours, it grow around 13%. So 13% you would have in 3 days. Okay, so the thing is, this is just the way how I am increasing the Bitcoin. But let's say like this. You want to check the previous one. I want to show you this. I'm not going to take too much time, but I just want to show you from where the Yearn Finance came and the current price. The price, just a second, the price was 1.8. So one Bitcoin was actually one Yearn Finance coin was 1.8 Bitcoin. So basically almost two Bitcoins for one. Okay, so whoever bought here at 0.9, as you can see here, this is the spot. I'm gonna make it highlighted. Just give me a second. Okay, if you buy, let's say here in this range of 0.88, so you buy for one Bitcoin or how much you had, and the price of the Yearn Finance skyrocket to the 1.8 Bitcoin. So you can imagine how much would you have. You would almost double up. If you put one Bitcoin, you would have more than two Bitcoins. Okay, so let's see now. He's in the same range at this moment, actually a little bit higher, 0.94, and I was buying at this point here. Okay, at this point I bought and already sold, and I'm expecting to drop again that I can buy because I want to multiply my Bitcoin during this time of accumulation process. But just give me a second. Okay, and this is a Bitcoin chart on the trading view. So what you need to do, you need to open the trading view, actually the account with them. You will gonna get 1 month for free, and there you can make your analysis. This is 1 hour chart. So we presume here, actually I am presuming that the Bitcoin is creating a pattern of the cup, as you can see here, and I'm going to show you that. Need to move my picture here. Okay, curve. So we can start from here until here, and then we pull it back here. Okay, so I hope you see now, guys. I'm gonna make it a different color. Let's make it a red, full red, and full red without the dots, like a line. Okay, so as you see here, we have a cup and a handle here. So what we can expect, if the Bitcoin breaks this 35.5 and confirm that in this range, he might go until 38, as you can see. Okay, and I'm going to show you why. What you're doing, you take and measure from this point the depth, the deep, how deep it is, and that line you put here wherever he breaks. Most probably he can go until 38, if that's the question. So if he confirm breakout in this area 35.5, there is a big chance that he can go until 38. What else we have here? I wanted to show you something else, and that is we have 4 Ema. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go on the trading view, you're gonna go on the indicators, you choose 4 Ema, and the settings are this. First one, the blue 9, green 13, orange 21, and yellow 55. So what basically does the 4 Ema? The 4 Ema is going to give you the clear signal, and you need to wait for confirmation of that signal. So as you can see here, let me remove this first, can be much easier. So we have a blue, green, orange, and yellow. As you can see, this was confirmation that once the blue cross over all of them and line up in the line like blue, green, orange, and yellow, that's the signal where you need to buy. As you can see here, we have the signal, boom, he go up, consolidate, and one more time, boom. So from this range, 33,700, he reached 35,500. So that's the profit. Okay, you can do the same if you want to short the trade. You need to find I'm going to show you, just give me a second. Here we have this part here. Just give me a second. Okay, as you can see here, the blue line goes under all three others. So go under the green, orange, and yellow here. But also this one is the signal where you can see all three of them are going in the different direction. So the blue is not anymore on top. The blue is under all of these two. He go down, he bounce up, as you can see, and this was the clean confirmation. As soon as the yellow go above all of other, there's a confirmation that the price will go down. So one more, you could wait here until the confirmation the yellow goes above the rest of the candles, like here. So we have here, instead of blue, we have a yellow on top, we have orange, green, and blue. So you see this candle. Somebody gonna say, yeah, but that's already lost because it's a huge candle down. I mean, you still have, as you can see, but what you can do, when you see this pattern, I mean, when you see that this is happening, let's say going up, like I show you already here. If you see already that this is going on here in this range, so the yellow was above and the yellow goes under, the blue goes above, that's a signal to buy. And you're gonna say, yeah, but look this one, the green huge candle. So how you can use that? As soon as you see, this is the 1 hour time frame, as soon as you see that they will cross each other and the blue will go up, big possibility, and the yellow will go under, you change the time frame. Then you can change in 30 minutes time frame. And what you're gonna get, you will see the blue is above, as you can see here, the yellow, the green, the orange, and the yellow is down. We have a confirmation of this candle, this green candle here. I'm going to show you, just give me a second. This is the candle of the confirmation. This one. It's closed above, and when it's closed above, wait for another one. As soon as it opens the green one, you can enter in this range. How are you gonna enter? Very easily. You open the long position. Once you open the long position, just give me a 1 second. Long position above, around here. The stop loss should be around here. The long one should be around here. So as you can see, this is a clean trade, and we go back in 1 hour time frame. Okay, so what we have here, we have a stop loss and we have a profit. The target is gonna be around here, and that is around 35,4, 35,5. So the stop loss is very tight, but anyway, you can use and you can control yourself like that. You can enter no matter if he throws you out. You can wait for confirmation again and you enter again. It's much better to have a stop loss than to suddenly lose or suddenly drop the different candle and to liquidate you or something like that. So always play safe, always trade safe, and be responsible. As you can see here, I show you the one part. Here I can show you one more in, let's say, 1 hour. The short position, how you can do. Let's use this one because here we have a confirmation. we have a confirmation because the yellow goes above all the rest of them in this range. So as soon as it crosses here, we have a long candle downwards. Let's change the time frame at 30 minutes. Here it is. So this is the one. Yep. Okay. We have a confirmation around here. One line, one candle. Once it's closed under like this, you can open the short position. Okay, just let me find my short position. No, not this one. Mhm. Just a second, I'm gonna try to find the short position. Yeah. Okay, we had a confirmation. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put here our trade. The stop loss should be around here, and the take profit should be around here. So what you can do, you can always connect your trades. As soon as you reach your target, you can open, because we are expecting the bounce here around 32, 33. You can open the long one, but when? Well, you need to wait until the confirmation happens. As you can see here, the blue one starts to climbing. Here wasn't confirmed yet, because that's I'm gonna show you just now. Here we have yellow, and the blue one, as you can see, goes up, 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 but not the rest of them. As you can see, there is missing the green and the orange. So this is not a confirmation, this is a false breakout. This one here, we need to wait. And here we have a clean 1, 2, 3 candles and confirmation with this small candle here. And after that, boom, goes up, small pullback, but still didn't cross. As you can see, still the blue is above. Then we have a green, orange, and yellow. And here, again, confirmation that you enter in the long trade. Eventually, what you can do here, if you want to make sure to make some profit, you will remove, let's say like this, you will increase, you will put smaller. Eventually, when you enter in the trade here and it goes up, you move your stop loss tighter, like something like here. So you will be in the profit already. Okay, if it starts going back like here, as you can see here in this part, starts going back, it can activate, but you can enter again. You don't need to do that, but that's just, let's say I'm doing something just in case not to lose even for the fee. Okay, so like I said already, I want to show you something else. Here we have a CRV, and as you can see here, I'm going to make a bigger one. I'm using this coin also that I can increase my Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you that. Basically, it's very easy. Let's say you need to have an exit. So if you have, let's say you have $1 US dollar, or you can exit. When I say exit, it means in which currency I would like to take out my money. Okay, which currency I want to take my profits. So let's say I choose the Bitcoin, or let's say I choose the USDT, the Tether, or I choose the Ethereum. Whatever you want to choose, you need to have the exit, and it means in which currency you want to pull out your money. So here we have a CRB DAO token. As you can see here, the price was 0.407566. Okay, as you can see here, in the past we had much higher price, and here also we had a really high price. Okay, basically the Bitcoin pull out all altcoins, and some of them take more time to recover. As you can see here, we have a pullback here. We had 1, 2, three double bottoms. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Finally the CRV starts going up, and I bought around here, around 4. I bought again around 4, 4, and here 4, 8. So from this point, as you can see, the previous of them, I mean the previous highs, it was around 6,617, I mean 0.407, as you can see here. So what you can do, you don't need to, let's say, wait until you can wait. You can wait, hodl, wait, sell, and make like a lot of Bitcoin. So what you need to do, you need to buy with the Bitcoin when the price is really high, really low, as like here. And let's say if you sell around here, that's a huge profit. From this point, from 0.4 until 0.6, you already increased the Bitcoin, okay? When the time comes when the Bitcoin goes back to the old, let's say the all-time high, or let's say it goes to 80K or 60K or 70K, no, I mean, whatever, then you have the Bitcoin and you can, it's already multiplied, okay? If you don't want to trade, let's say in the futures, you can use this system, so you can multiply your coins, you name it. You can choose your coin and you can multiply that coin. Okay, this is the safest way because you can do that on the spot. You're not losing the money, you're not losing anything. So once you buy a coin, you don't buy any coin. Okay, you need to choose the coins with who you can, let's say, you can multiply other coin. Okay, so you need to check the history of that coin. You can check the price range, where it was going and falling, and how is the volatility of that coin, so you can use that to multiply your currency, whatever you have. If you want to multiply, let's say, dollars, you want to have more dollars, you want to make money, no problem. You have $1,000, then okay, you are expecting and waiting, make analysis. As you can see here, you can buy, because this is not the all-time low, but you can buy here 429, and you can compare that. The price of the CRV is now 1.8, and let's say 2 months ago the price was three, almost actually $4. So you can expect, because of the Bitcoin is down, once he starts recovering, everything will recover, and you will make money. So let's say you buy here with $1,000 and you can sell here in this range, a small difference, but you make the profit. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe,